licenses that you're allocating are properly utilized. Requires training, requires a comfort zone for people. Change management is difficult, right? That once you have the code assistance within a loop, how do you ensure that your Amanda gave an example, like pick an example for few metrics, right? Code review. Is code reviews are going any faster with the code assistance? And start putting some measurements there so that you'll be able to measure them and understand the impact of that. Imagine that you're really producing a lot of input and from the developer experience through code assistance, and then you need to measure how are you able to move things faster, which I know your survey results speaks slightly differently. I believe, like Nathan mentioned, that like we also see that slowly the adoption is growing and people are able to trust in the trust the code assistance, and it all depends on the company size and the team size and experience levels, and it changes the way you use the code assistance. But ultimately, it should improve. There should be a positive impact on the software delivery performance. We would love to see that some of the case studies and have the data through Opsera and other variations as well. And our goal is to improve the better compliance and reporting besides inner loop and outer loop. And also, Oliver mentioned that how do we have the feedback loop mechanism? At the end of the day, these metrics are meant to be use the data, survey results, system generated data, and then your tools like Opsera can give you the information. How do you bring it together and be able to have a feedback loop mechanism by validating what you're hearing from the developers, what you're seeing in the system, and ensure that you're improving the developer experience, productivity, and breaking down the silos as well by doing so.